the sun is here today. We are picking. It's all very good, and we really like to be here and hope you will enjoy the wine.
In the middle of the road, that's where it's all happening at the moment. We've got a crew with backpackers working for us, coming from all around the world and just helping us harvest the grapes. So it's awesome to have a young crew full of dynamism and happy to come and help us. So that's, as I said, where it all starts. That's where we get the grapes, and that's where we're hopefully going to help us make the great wine that we'll be able to enjoy. And welcome back here at Villa Vineyard in beautiful Central Otago. As you can see behind me, fall is well underway with all the colors of autumn, and these two blocks that you can see here, Grand Canyon and Rhode Island, have just been harvested 2 days ago. We are indeed the 10th of April 2015, and we are halfway through harvest. Here indeed we start harvest in April, and we are lucky to have great conditions. It's about 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit today, and that means that we can pick at a very cool temperature. The grapes can be in great health, and really delighted with this condition with a bright sky as well. Here I've got a bunch of basically the end result of our job the whole year round. It's a nice tight Pinot Noir bunch. It does weigh about 100 to 105 grams in average, with just some nice tight and fully ripened berries. So that's the passion of love that we are working on all year long, and hopefully you're going to enjoy this 2015 vintage very soon.